Good morning, my kindergartners. So today is Friday. Yay, Friday. Friday, August 21st. Friday, headed into the weekend. You got no homework over the weekend, no activities, no none of that. You get to take a break for Saturday and Sunday. So today is our packet lesson video. And today we are going to be working on day 5, which is, you're going to do the Jack and Jill, and we are going to work on the Find the Triangles today together. So starting Monday, we're going to start all of our regular lessons. We're going to learn our writing, we're going to learn our reading lesson, and we're going to start doing our math lesson. So next week you will have more than just one video. So you'll probably have 3 videos to watch with activities that you will need to complete and submit on your Google Classroom. So today is kind of your last day of just one lesson, one video with me. And next week I want to set up our Google meetings where we can talk and meet face to face on our cameras. For any of those parents that sent back the survey, if you did not send in the survey, please do that, or your student will not make it on the list because I don't have the availability times to make it on the list. So let's get learning. You know, I need to think of it. I need to make my own theme song. I see a lot of YouTubers and they do a theme song, so I think I'm going to try to figure out my theme song. If you want to help me create a theme song, something that I sing at the beginning and the end of my videos, go ahead and send me a video clip or a recording. Maybe you going bounce, 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 bounce. Just send me a little something and let me know, and then I will choose what sounds like a good theme song. Okay, my darlings, let's get to learning. So this week we learned about our colors, and we also learned about shapes. So let's review our colors and let's see what you remember. What is this? Yep, orange. What's this one? Red. What about this? What is this? Yellow, like the sun. And my faves, blue. And I'm wearing a blue shirt today. Can you see that it says kindergarten with a little heart? Yep, because I love kindergarten. And this is our black. And like the leaves on the trees and the grass, green. And brown. And our last color, purple. Yes, you are so smart. Okay, let's review our shapes that we learned about this week. What is this one that goes around and around? Wheels, donuts. What's this shape? Circle. And this one with 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. This one with 4 sides that are all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. What shape is that? Square. What is this one? Ooh. It has a long, short, long, short. That is a rectangle. And that was our shapes. That was our shapes we learned about this week. All right, let's hop into our Find the Triangles. It looks like we need to help another buddy. We need to help our friend get to her book bag or backpack, depending on what you call it. We need to help her get to her book bag. But let's see what shapes they want us to color in order to get to that book bag. It says, help the girl get to the backpack by coloring in the spaces along the path with a triangle. Is this a triangle? Nope. Toss that out of here. Is this a triangle? Nope. Toss that out. Is this a triangle? Nope. Toss that one too. Dun, 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 dun. Is that a triangle? Yes, it is. So on our path, we are looking to color our best, find the triangles, and get the girl to her book bag. All right, so let's start at the start. And what do we see? We see a triangle. So are we gonna color that triangle? Yes, we are. Make sure you have your crayons. And let's pick, how about, let's do black. Let's do a black triangle. Taking our time, staying in the lines. And bam. Black triangle. Getting the girl to her backpack. Let's keep on moving down the line. What is that shape? That's a rectangle. So are we going to color that one? No, we are not. So we keep on moving. What is that shape? That is a triangle. So let's color that triangle. Let's do purple. Purple. And coloring it nice and neat. Try not to color outside of the lines. And there we are. Fantastic. All right, moving right along. Is that a triangle? No, that is not a triangle. Can you tell what shape that is? Yep, that is a square. All right, let's move it on down. What shape is that? A circle. Goes around and around. Remember, a circle goes around and around. So do we need to color that circle? Nope, we're not going to color that one. So we're going to keep moving. What shape is that? Yes, that's one of our triangles. Let's color that one orange. Find my orange. You find your orange. Voila. And let's color that triangle orange. Nice and slow and inside the lines. It's a pretty small triangle, so shouldn't take us that long to color it. Can you see mine? Yep. Okay, let's keep on moving. We've almost got our little friend to her book bag. We're about halfway. What's that next shape? That's a triangle too. So do we need to color that triangle? Yes, we do. Let's color that one blue. I've got my blue. Do you have your blue? Good. All right. Color that one. So far, it's looking good, isn't it? We are doing great. All right, we're moving along the line. What shape is that? Goes around and around and around and around. That's a circle. So we're not going to color that one, right? Right. Let's keep on moving. What shape is that? That is another triangle. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So we need to color that one. How about you pick any color you want? I'm going to pick brown to color that triangle. But you can pick whichever color you want. Any color out of your crayon box. Okay, and there is my brown triangle. So let's move it. We're getting closer to that book bag. What shape is that? That's a square. That's our 4 sides that are all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to color that square? No way. All right, let's move it along.
Miss Burton, can you come to the office for a parent phone call?
And that was Mrs. Cruz, our secretary, sending out an announcement for someone to answer the phone or call a parent back. So during our videos, you probably will hear that and it'll almost feel like you're in class because that happens when we're here in the building anyway. So I guess that's all right, right? And we'll just keep on working through. What did you tell me this shape was? That's a rectangle. We have a short side, long side, short side, long side. And I know we're not going to color that because we're trying to color the triangles. Try and triangle. Okay, let's keep on moving. What shape is that? I see 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Is that our triangle? Yes, it is. So we need to color that. You pick what color you want. I'm going to pick red. Red, 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 red. like Red Riding Hood. Coloring my triangle red, doing my best. There's my beautiful red triangle. Okay, let's move it right along. What shape is that? That's our square. So do we need to color that one? Nope, because we're only coloring triangles. Okay, we'll have a few more left. What shape is that? That's another triangle. So we need to color that, right? So pick whichever color you like. I'm going with green. I kind of like doing rainbow and getting a little bit of every color. But you can pick whichever color you want. See how I kind of have a rainbow? I have a mixture of colors on my sheet, trying to show how beautiful all the colors are. Okay, let's keep on moving. What shape is that? That is a rectangle. You're right. Short, long, short, long. 2 long sides and 2 short sides. All right, we're almost to that book bag. What shape is that? That is another square. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all the same size. Last shape. What is that? That's a triangle, so we need to color that and get our friend to her book bag. What color have I not used? I have not used yellow, so I'm going to use yellow. And there we go. There's my rainbow triangles. And we made it to the book bag. And you go ahead and color your book bag. Make it look nice and pretty, nice and cute, nice and cool, with any colors you want. I'm starting with purple, and I'll finish this later. But you go ahead and color the girl, color your book bag, and take a picture of this and send it to me in the Google Classroom so I can see how well you did. And then I can give your little monster your dojo points. Okay, let's move on to our Jack and Jill. And did you know that Jack and Jill is actually a poem? Have you heard that word before? Poem. It kind of sounds like a weird word if you say it a lot, right? Poem, 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 poem. A poem is something that you read or write, but it has words that rhyme. Do you know what rhyme means? Rhyme means that something sounds the same or sounds similar, like cat and hat or book and look. So a poem has rhyming words. It has words in it that sound similar. Another rhyming word could be dog and hog. So they have a different beginning sound, like at the beginning, dog, but then we have hog. So they sound similar, so those 2 words rhyme. So I'm going to read the Jack and Jill poem for us, and tell me if you can hear the rhyming words. So rhyming means that the words sound similar. They have kind of the same sound, like Jack and back, or chair and care, and box and fox. So we're listening for the rhyming words. And here we go, Jack and Jill. We can see our Jack and Jill here. Oh, and we see a little bunny rabbit friend with them too. All right, so it says, can you see that? Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Can you figure out the rhyming words in that? I'll read it again, but I'll read it slower. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. So we're listening for words that sound similar or kind of sound the same. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Now sometimes I have to repeat things in order for myself to understand and remember. So if you have to repeat it so that you can kind of hear those rhyming words. Do you know the 2 words that rhyme in Jack and Jill went up the hill? Jill and hill. Those are the 2 rhyming words in this poem, in the first line of this poem. And then to fetch a pail of water. So I don't really hear any words that sound the same in that one. To fetch a pail of water. They all kind of sound different to me. I'm going to read the next line. Jack fell down and broke his crown. I'll read it again. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Do you hear the two rhyming words in that? The two words that sound the same? Down and crown. So Jack fell down. Do you know what they mean by his crown? They mean his head. He fell down and he broke his head. But he's okay. It's not like, anything gonna happen. He's okay. It's just imaginary. So Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So we did find 4 rhyming words. We found Jill and hill, and we also found down and crown. So in this poem, remember, a poem is a writing where words rhyme or words sound the same. In this poem, say that word for me, poem, yep, we found rhyming, say rhyming, rhyming. We found rhyming words, Jill and hill, and down and crown. So you learned about poems today, and you learned about rhyming, and we practiced triangles, and you learned what happened to Jack and Jill. So why don't you go ahead and color your Jack and Jill picture, send me a photo of it on the dojo, submit your assignment, and I will add your points and take a look at how fantastic you did. All right, that is the end of our lesson for Friday, August 21st. Remember, Monday, it's going to be a few more videos. We're going to be learning writing, math, and we're going to start our reading lessons. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And remember, I challenge you, help me figure out a theme song, something that I can sing before I start my videos and at the end before we start learning. Show me, send me something. What do you think it should be? Help me out. Help Miss Pierce out. I would really appreciate it. All right, you guys, have a good weekend, and I will see you later. Bye.